1. Lift the hood and remove the cover from behind the headlight. You can change the headlight bulb with the headlight mounted on the car. We removed it only to see better behind the headlight. Here we have a Skoda Octavia 1 from 2006. On other Octavia 1 models, you need to dismantle the headlight to replace the parking light bulb. Remove the clip that holds the cover fixed to the headlight and then remove the cover. Two, remove the old bulb. Squeeze those side clamps and pull it gently outwards. Three, remove the burnout bulb from the socket and install the new bulb. Skoda Octavia MK1 uses a W5W light bulb, which you can find it below in the video description. Four, reinstall the socket with the new bulb. Five, replace the plastic cover. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.